Hi, sweetheart. What are you doing? You want your shovel? Here. You putting dirt in your bucket? That's a good job. Is that dirt? Hey, can you do some stuff for me? What's a puppy say? Hey, what's a puppy say? Ruff? What about a sheep? Bah. What's a lion say? What's a lion say? Roar. What's a cow say? Come on, what's a cow say? Do you remember what a cow says? Does a cow say moo? Let's see. Can you show me more? Yeah. Let's see. Can you show me bird? No, that's more. What's bird? Is bird like this? Can you show me bird? No? Okay. What about... Let's see. Where's your belly button? Where's your belly button? Where's your belly button? Are you too busy playing with the sand? Where's your ears? Ah, it's your ears. You can be a monkey. Ooh, ooh. Where's your belly button? Is this sitting here? Is that it in there? Where is it? Can you say puppy? Can you say puppy? No? Where are you going? You're not going to do anything more for me? Okay, bye-bye.